In the meantime, the Preemie Foundation has been focused on providing assistance to expectant mothers and mothers of newborns.
Instead of worrying about where am I going to get food from, they're already worried about, the home that they're going to go back to or the lack thereof. The least we can do is provide something for them not to worry about. The food, being able to clean their baby, being able to take care of them, basic things like diaper rash cream and diapers and so on. That is a part of helping to make sure that, they can support their baby in the healthiest way.
Founder Sarika Sterling says the organization has expanded its mandate following Hurricane Melissa. The Preemie Foundation has distributed several care packages to parents now staying at the shelter at the Petersfield High School following a TVJ News expose. Additionally, Mrs. Sterling revealed that the Sav-la-Mar Hospital has more than 24 expectant mothers that need care packages.
We're putting together some packages to help them out maybe for the next 2 to 3 months to provide them with supplies for babies, for moms, and for the family. Diapers, wipes, alcohol, sanitary supplies for moms because, after they give birth, they will need that, and food as well.